Google's Android 12 is around the corner for the stable release. And many of you thinking about the future of your smartphone. Will I get the next major Android OS? Yes, this is an important question. In this video, I will tell you the answer. Here you can check the list of eligible smartphones for the Android 12 OS upgrade. Hi, this is Subir. Welcome to my channel. Continue watching this video and check whether your smartphone company is enlisted or not. I don't have any information or smartphone from these companies. Check my video. Very soon I will update you the latest smartphones with the remaining one in this video. Friends, how you like this video? Please give me your likes, comments and shares. And friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon such that whatever the latest leaked information I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.